Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy from Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I'm going through the palette of the brand name women's shoes, and I found a pair here by Michael Kors. They're very elegant shoes. They are color pink. There's one out of the wrapping, out of the plastic. Let me look at the box, I could tell you the size. These shoes are overstock from a well-known American department store. Size is 11M, 11 medium. Style garnet. They're called Fiona Wedge suede shoes. I have many more shoes in the boxes and the palette, as you can see. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.